Hey guys, wanted to show you something that comes up quite a bit with our FiTech tech groups. One of the most common issues that we tend to see with engine setups is some sort of a vacuum leak. And a vacuum leak can impact the EFI system quite a bit. If you have a mild cam engine application, sometimes you'll notice that you can't get the idle to come down, and that vacuum leak is sucking air from somewhere else other than coming through the throttle body, and you can't set the IAC steps. In other applications like we have here with a 400 small block with a really big cam in it, you'll get a lot of idle surge. So the idle will be hunting up and down, and we want to show you, bar none, the absolute best way to find a vacuum leak. What we have here is a smoke machine. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to pump smoke in through a vacuum line, and just a static check, we're going to fill it up full of smoke and see where the smoke comes out, and that will direct us directly to the vacuum leak. So first, I want to fire this thing up, let you guys hear what a vacuum leak sounds like. This thing will have quite the surge to it, and then we'll find that leak there. All right, so we got the power hooked up and air compressor hooked up to our smoke machine. I'm gonna find a vacuum line that's available to put smoke into. I'm gonna pull the regulator line off. We got our smoke machine that I'll plumb in. We got it powered up. So I'll hit the power on, and we'll start filling the intake full of smoke. I left the top off at first. Don't know if you could see it, but we got smoke out of the idle air hole. That part's kind of normal just because the idle air is open when we're sitting there. So we're gonna take a air cleaner top, carburetor cap, and plug it off. From there, we're gonna see where the smoke comes out. And I'm already seeing smoke right away. If we get right up front, we'll see smoke coming directly out in between the throttle body and the intake manifold. And we're gonna inspect what's going on here. Why is the smoke coming from this location? So we got smoke coming in through the bottom of the front, and with a little inspection, which we have set up here, we got a nice little zip tie picking up the side of the throttle body. This isn't obviously gonna be a real world scenario, but you may see something like a cut gasket causing the leak. We get this one a lot here where gaskets are stacked. If you have gaskets stacked, that a lot of times that causes leaks. Sometimes you'll notice leaks coming from the cylinder head to the intake manifold. That would be an intake leak right there that you would have to pull the intake off and replace your gaskets. Other locations that you may get stuff is if you got vacuum ports with plugs on the intake runners, but all of these things can cause vacuum leaks. Another one that we get really common is vacuum caps on the back of the throttle body being missing or going to a component like a brake booster and the brake booster diaphragm being broken. So then you would be seeing smoke coming out of the brake booster. But that's a great way to really diagnose where a vacuum leak is coming from. And at that point, you know exactly what to address because you know exactly where that vacuum leak is coming from, because that's always such a hard thing to find. All right, so in our case, we got a gasket leak between the throttle body and the intake manifold. FiTech supplies intake manifold gaskets, so you can go to any FiTech certified dealer to get one of those, or directly through FiTech ourselves. Another location, this is just a 4100 series flange 4-barrel setup, so a lot of cases you can go to a local auto parts store. I hope that answers any questions on troubleshooting an air leak with the EFI system. If you have any questions regarding this video, please comment them down below, and definitely remember to like and subscribe so you're the first to see new video content.